Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about rice vinegar, this lovely amber colored vinegar that I have. Obviously it's made from fermented rice. Sometimes it's referred to as rice wine vinegar, but it's actually just made from fermented rice. It's mild and a little sweet in flavor, and it's less acidic than many of the other vinegars. Best uses for rice vinegar: it's great in salad dressings, in seafood marinades. It's commonly used in Asian cuisines and dishes like sushi and pickled ginger and seafood, and also in stir fries. Now, if you have some food sensitivities, beware when you're using rice vinegar or when you're purchasing rice vinegar, and read the label very carefully. If it's a true rice vinegar made only with rice, then it's naturally going to be gluten-free and there's no issue. However, some rice vinegars do contain a mixture of grains, and it may be made from a grain that does naturally contain gluten in there. Asian countries sometimes do this, so if you have an imported vinegar from an Asian country, you want to particularly look at that label and be sure. If it was completely distilled, even though it was made with a gluten-containing grain, it will be gluten-free if it's 100% distilled. However, a lot of times they are not. So if it's made with rice with another grain, chances are it may have gluten in there. So if you have a gluten sensitivity, you need to be very careful about the rice vinegar that you pick up, and make sure it's made only with rice or has been 100% distilled if it has another grain in there. Okay, so be very careful about that. You also want to check if you have a sulfite problem. Be sure that it does not have added sulfites to it, in which case you should be okay with it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I'll help you if I can.